Hi, Rookies. I thought it would be fun to make a flower similar to the one that we had in our story called The Tiny Little Seed by Eric Carle. He is the author of The Very Hungry Caterpillar, and so that's what got me mixed up. This is the story, The Tiny Seed, and we're gonna make a flower similar to the flower in our story. We're gonna start with our background. I picked out a blue paper to use for our background. It's nice and sturdy, so it will hold up. And then I have this long rectangle. How do we know this is a rectangle? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. You're right. 2 sides are short and 2 sides are long. That's right. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. So we're going to use our rectangle to make the stem. And I'm using a little bit of tape to hold it onto the background. So we'll tape the stem on. There's the stem. Now we need the middle of our flower. What shape am I using to make the middle of our flower? That's right, it's a circle. And I'm using all 2D shapes. All my shapes are flat today for my flower. There, I've got the circle on the top of my stem. And now, what else do we need for our flower? What's gonna go around the middle? That's right, the petals. And I have some yellow petals. What shape are my petals? They are ovals. Kind of like a circle, but they're squished in the middle. They're a little more narrow. So I'm going to use these ovals to put on the flower. I wonder how many ovals I'll need. Can you help me count? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You think we'll have enough? 8. Oh, maybe we need one more. 9. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of petals. There are a lot of petals on this flower. 9 petals. And on the stem, many times, you find leaves. And look, I've got a leaf shape notepad that I can use to put some leaves on our stem. The leaves help to catch the sunlight and feed the plant. Yes, and the flowers attract the bugs, so they come and pollinate. Isn't that awesome? And you know what? I think it's important that we try to put a label on our flower. So if we have a piece of paper, and I'm going to try to make my labels a little bit smaller than these big squares. I'm using Post-it notes, and maybe your grown-up might have Post-it notes that you can ask to use. And so I'm going to put the word stem. Stem starts with S. I'm going to put the stem label right here on the stem. See the stem? And then what else did we have on our flowers? Starts with O, L, leaf. There's a leaf on our flower. I'm going to put that label right there on the leaf. And then we had petals. Let's petals. What letter starts in petals? Petals. That's right, P. P for the petals. I'm going to put that on the yellow petals. Awesome. We have petals and a leaf and a stem all labeled. There's something that goes under the ground that we don't see when we're looking at flowers because it goes under the ground. But they're very important because it holds the flower in the ground and feeds the flower water and nutrients from the ground. What are those things? I wonder if we put some, I'll cut up my Post-it notes and we'll make it look like they're sticking down in the ground. What are those? Let's see, I gotta have the sticky part in the right direction here. What are those that go under the ground? Those are the roots, that's right. And we could label the roots. Roots. What letter are we going to use to label roots? R, that's right, roots. We will label the roots. Now we have 4 labels on our flower. We have the roots at the bottom under the ground. Then we have the stem, and we have the leaf, and we have the petals. Awesome job, rookies. Thank you for helping me make and label my flower. I hope you have a wonderful day and take a look at all the flowers in your neighborhood. Bye, rookies. Have a great day.